Confused about which version of Minecraft to dive into? Let's break down the Minecraft jungle in just 90 seconds. First up, Minecraft Java Edition, the OG. This is your classic experience, runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Step 1. Head to Minecraft.net and buy the Java and Bedrock Edition bundle. This gives you both versions. Step 2. Download the Minecraft launcher. Step 3. Log in with your Microsoft account. Step 4. Select Minecraft Java Edition from the launcher's drop-down menu. Now, Bedrock Edition, available on Windows 10 and 11, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and mobile. Step 1. If you bought the bundle like we just mentioned, it's already in your launcher. Step 2. Select Minecraft for Windows from the launcher's drop-down. If you're on console or mobile, just grab it from your platform store. Step 3. Log in using your Microsoft account. Step 4. Install the game. Step 5. Play. Okay, quick comparison. Bedrock boasts cross-platform play and a curated marketplace for add-ins. Java has unparalleled modding freedom and access to countless community and servers. So, choose your poison. Step 1. Decide what you're after. Crossplay or modding. Step 2. If crossplay, Bedrock. Step 3. If modding, Java. Step 4. Have fun. That's it. Whichever you pick, get ready for endless adventures. Links in the description for everything you need. Now go build something amazing.